to yet another session of Vedic Maths. Today, I'm going to teach you some magic squares. Now, what are the magic squares? Magic squares means squares ending in 5. That means 5. So you all know the 5 square is 5 into 5, that's 25. Now, what's the logic to find out 35 square? Simply look at the number 3 and multiply the 3 by the next number. What comes after 3? It's 4. So 3 4s are 12. And whenever you have 5 at the ending, the square answer is always 25, as 5 into 5 is 25. So simply add 25. And that's your answer. Let's find out for 75 square. 7 into the next number, that is 8. 7 8s are 56. Simply add 25. 95 square. The number is 9 into 10. That's 90. And we'll add 25 to it. And that's your answer. Hope you will be able to do this. That's your homework.